Monday. It's a new week. I'm excited, feeling very optimistic just about the spring. And yeah, just lots of changes are happening. Today I'm actually going to go to the gym. I haven't really been in the gym, y'all, for probably over a year, in an official gym setting. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to start really slow so I don't freak myself out. Probably get on the treadmill for 10 minutes, get on the elliptical for 20 minutes, and probably do some weight training for the last 20 minutes. But I really do need to work out at least a good hour to get the results that I'm trying to get. So basically I'm trying to lose between 30 to 35 pounds. And then I also want a smaller waist like always. So as far as my weight kind of goes up and down, but I do notice that I gain weight really fast, y'all, once I stop working. So I'm excited, y'all, to be getting back into the gym or whatever. And then as far as my clothing for work, y'all, it's time to pull out the dresses because I'm tired of wearing pants and blazers all the time. Now when I escort employees and stuff in the hospital, then yeah, that's different. I'll go ahead and put on a blazer and pants, but definitely want to start putting on my spring clothes. I have yellow skirts, purple skirts, stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to work on just trying to switch it up a little bit, just to kind of help my mood. And it's spring and I want to be just very optimistic. And then the last thing, I want to wake up a little bit earlier. So I don't really have a set time to be to work, but I do have to be to work during those standard business hours, between 8 and 5. So normally I go to work right now at about 8:30, and I normally leave around 4:15, 4:30. But I definitely want to start getting to work probably a little earlier. So hey, your girl has been in the gym 3 days straight now at my new gym that I joined. I told you guys in the last vlog that I did join a gym, and I did, and it's been going so good, y'all. I've been doing really good, going straight from work, getting dressed at work, then bringing my butt straight to that gym. I've been doing the treadmill, and I've been using the incline on the treadmill. I've been doing the elliptical, and I've also been doing the row machine where you sit and you're pulling yourself like this. I've pretty much been doing those 3 things. So just trying to get a lot of cardio in because I am trying to drop a lot of pounds first. And then I'll do more weights. But y'all, that row machine, honey, baby girl, it's a full body workout, okay, period. So I've been doing really well in the gym. My plan is to go 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday, give myself Friday, Saturday, Sunday to just rest, and then do it all over again. Every now and then I might do an occasional Saturday. Pretty much all I do is I take 1 scoop of this, I take some water, some ice, some orange juice, a banana, and I just mix it all up, and then I blend it on my NutriBullet. And then this is pretty much how it looks. Sometimes I might add yogurt, just depending. But after I work out, I normally like to eat really light. So that's why I choose to have a protein shake right after I work out. And then later, probably in 2 more hours at about 7, I'll have my final meal for the night. But this is a good way to ease back in to actually having a meal instead of stuffing my face right when I get back from the gym. So yeah, so this is pretty much, what I do after I work out. But y'all, everything has been going good with the gym, girl. Your girl about to lose some weight, okay? So y'all could just be proud to be sick of me. So I'm up in the car wash right now, getting my car clean, girl, because that pollen and everything has just been harsh on my car, y'all. But I'm pretty much in the car wash, as you guys can see. This thing always knocks my windows crazy. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. It's the weekend. I'm about to go to the spa, so come along with me. I got my little bun going on here, my glasses, y'all. My dad's cutting the grass outside, but yeah, pretty chill outfit. Just got on my blue jean jacket, a shirt, and some tights, and off to the spa we go. So it is Sunday. I'm about to go and chill at my grandpa's house. I'm currently waiting for my mom to get out of the store, but I just recorded a chit chat, get ready with me, just giving you guys a life update so far on how it's been living with my parents for the past 6 months. But yeah, y'all, today is a beautiful Sunday. Work tomorrow, you know what I'm saying, another work week, but I'm excited because this week is Good Friday, so I took off on Friday, so I'll just be working Monday through Thursday this week. But yeah, I'm about to just go spend some time with my family. Hey, what's up? So today is actually Thursday. I am all done with work. I work Monday through Thursday, and then tomorrow for Good Friday, I'm actually taking off, y'all. Taking some PTO, okay? I'm surprised we're not off for Good Friday. So we're having a crawfish ball with my family on Friday. And then on Sunday, we're going to be doing a family barbecue. So I'm looking forward to that. And Bae is going to be there. So I think it'll be really, really fun. But I'm just glad I get to celebrate with my family, y'all. I don't know what it is, but I love like holidays. I'm just at Walgreens about to pick up something. Then after that, I got to go to Walmart and pick up my Walmart pickup. I always do the pickup, y'all, because it's super convenient. So that's pretty much what I have going on today, and then just prepare for this holiday weekend. So let me know down in the comments, what will y'all be doing for Easter and also for Good Friday. Hey girl, hey, so me and my mom just got back from Ulta. They had a sale today, so we picked up a few items, and I just wanted to show you guys what we got. So first I'm going to show you guys what my mom got, and then I'll show you guys what I got, and I'll let you know our individual totals as well. So she got 2 of these TGIN Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gels. These are really good products, y'all. They were on sale for $7. And then she got the Melee Gentle Hydrating Cleansing Gel. She got their Refresh Even Tone Post Cleanse Tonic. And she got their Even Dark Spot Control Serum, y'all. So this is a, I believe, black skincare brand. Boom, boom, boom. Everybody is starting to talk about this brand, but their products were also on sale. Let's see. So for the tonic, it was $19.99. The cleanser was $11.19, and the dark spot serum was on sale for $18.19. And then lastly, we got some of these Tree Hut products, and these were each $7.87. Tropic Glow Firming Whipped Shea Body Butter. Boom. And she also got the Tree Hut Tropic Glow Firming Sugar Scrub, okay? Now, the girl that worked in Ulta, she told us that basically this body butter is pretty much a dupe of the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. So we about to see, y'all. But if this really, you know, firm me up, I'm going to be buying more of this. But everything that my mom got was $86.58 total, and that does include tax. So, boom, that's what my mom got for the sale. And now I'll just quickly show you guys what I got. I decided to get the same thing pretty much. I got the Tropic Glow Firming Whipped Shea Body Butter and also the Firming Sugar Scrub. Boom. Again, these are both $7.87. And then I got the Malay Even Dark Spot Control Serum, and this was $18.19. So those are the 3 products that I picked up today at Ulta, and my total was $37.13. Okay, so I think we did really good today for this sale. Definitely going to be checking out Ulta more because they drop a lot of sales. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got from Ulta. Guess what? I got a PR package from Uncle Funky's daughter, y'all. I'm a Bad Mama Jamma ambassador, and I'll be in their next campaign. You guys can really see the box, but this is pretty much how it looks. It says Uncle Funky's daughter, good funky stuff, y'all, for kinky, curly, and wavy textures. And you can go to their website. As you guys can see, I'll show you guys the new maximum thermal protection line, and it's hashtag stand up to heat, y'all. Okay, so they have a new campaign coming out, and your girl is going to be a part of the new campaign, so stay tuned. And also remember to follow me on Instagram at _RealSouthernBelle if you guys want to see how I use these amazing products in my hair. And I really do love this because you don't have to just use the thermal protection line whenever you flat iron your hair. You can also use it for twist outs and flexi rod sets. So I'm excited about this, y'all. So I got the Uncle Funky's daughter Maximum Thermal Protection Deep Conditioner, and this has silk, bamboo, and quinoa to prevent heat damage, y'all. And then we have the Uncle Funky's Split In Serum. We also have the Purifying Cleanser. Boom. And the cleanser has silk, bamboo, and quinoa as well. So it looks like they pretty much have those 3 ingredients in all of their products. Also have the 3-in-1 Shine Booster. Boom. And I love anything that makes the hair shine, girl. Okay. And lastly, we have the primer. So this is to prime your hair before you go ahead and do the style of your choice. That's pretty much everything that I got from Uncle Funky's daughter. Thank you guys so much for sending me these products, and I cannot wait to try these on my hair. You guys saw what I got from Ulta. You guys saw Uncle Funky's daughter. Now I'm going to show you guys what I got from this brand. It's called Contour Me by Nikki. And I just wanted to try all these products because she's actually discontinuing like her little mystery bundles and mystery products that she has on her site. So pretty much she would sell mystery pieces, And yeah, you would just pick your size and she would send you a mystery piece. So she's trying to get rid of all of them. So you can either buy 5 pieces for $4 or you can buy single mystery pieces for $1. So I just pressed my luck and I just put in my size and I ordered the products. But this is pretty much her brand. It's called Contour Me by Nikki. So let's see what we got, girl. I haven't even opened these yet, so it's really a mystery for me. So yeah, I don't know. It look a little small though, girl. I hope I can fit whatever this is. What could this be? Oh, some little underwear. So that's my first piece. And it's supposed to be like little contour, little shapewear stuff. So it could be anything from like underwear to like midsection garments. It could be a tank top. It can be tights. It could be literally anything that she has on her site. Okay. So we got one of these little tank tops. I really wanted one of these tank tops, y'all. It's one of these little like compression tank tops where it like holds you in the middle. Oh my God. I really did want this. Perfect. So that's the second piece. Let's see what's the third piece. And when I got on the site, y'all, she only had smalls and medium. So I just got medium. Okay, a little bra. Now this one, y'all, look a little small. Might be giving this to my little cousin. But I'm gonna try it, y'all. But remember, it's also compression stuff. So I might really be able to fit it, you know. But, okay, got a little padding in it. All right, not too bad. All right, let's see what else we got. What else we got? Mystery. Please be some tights. Please be some tights. Please be some tights. It ain't no tights, y'all. It's another compression tank top. Cool. And not another one. Y'all, she gave me 3 compression tank tops, some undies, and what else I got? Oh, and that little all-in-one, no, just kidding. 3 tank tops, 1 underwear, and also 1 bra. So that's very interesting. I was really hoping to get some tights, y'all, but I didn't get my tights that I wanted. But anywho, I got all 5 of these pieces for $4, and of course I had to pay for shipping. Shipping was like $8. So my total for everything here was $12. So yep, so that's what I got from Contour Me by Nikki. And that's pretty much it for my product haul tonight. What's up? So it is Good Friday and I'm with Baby. Say hey, Baby. Babe, you gotta say hey.
Hey.
Okay, y'all, so we're about to eat some crawfish with my family. So I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of crawfish ball. And then on Sunday, we got the barbecue and that's it. All right, bye. I'm happy to be back on the vlog. Babe, what you see back here?
A nice tree.
He sees a nice tree, y'all, in my grandparents' backyard.
This is the kind of tree you want growing up, right here.
He wants a tree.
When I grow up, I want a tree like that.
He wants a tree, y'all. I'm gonna have to buy a tree for Christmas. So we bought in crawfish, y'all. We got our little crawfish right here in the little thing. I don't know if y'all can see them, but and we got the little pot over in the back right here. Boiling, got my little gloves ready. Y'all already know because I got the white nails.
About to eat crawfish, guys. I can't wait. I hope it's really good.
Me too, y'all. Y'all, Mia got a prison pen pal.
Shut up!
Her prison pen pal is named Donna Gudo, y'all.
Hi guys, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.
I needed to distance myself from you. I was just a know you.